morning. Welcome to our language review class of week number 28. Today is Monday, October 12th, 2020. And in this opportunity, we make a review about the different topics that we have already studied on weeks 26, okay, 25, 24, and also 27. Okay, we talk about verbs and also nouns. Let's start. Verbs. Okay, what are verbs? Verbs are the most important words in a sentence. Okay, so keep in mind this one because if you have a sentence, the most important word is a verb. Then every sentence has a verb, okay? In every sentence that you say, in every sentence that you write, okay, or in every sentence that you listen, you find a verb. And also, okay, it is found in the predicate. Remember, a sentence has two parts. First one is the subject, and then you have the predicate. And in this case, okay, we can find the verb in the predicate. Okay, so this one is important. Verbs are the most important words in a sentence. Every sentence has a verb and it is found in the predicate part of a sentence. Let's continue. So, in this case, okay, verbs, let me see, have two functions, okay? The first one is to show action and the second one is to show a state of being, okay? That's mean verbs, okay, shows actions and also shows a state of being, okay? Keep in mind this one. Remember this one because it's very important. Let's see. And also we have action verbs, okay? Show what the subject of a sentence has done, is doing, or will do. Okay, it is called in that form because there is someone or something taking an action. Okay, so the subject of a sentence has done. This one is an action in past. Is doing. Okay, this is an action in present. Will do. This is an action in future. Okay, that's mean when we talk about verbs, we talk about different tenses. Okay, present, past, and future. Yes. Okay, and also we call in that form because someone or something, okay, taking the action. Okay, for that reason we call action verb because something is developing the action or someone is taking the action. Yes, and we have some examples here. For example, the first one, okay, we can say that the boy is eating a hamburger. Yes. Okay, in number two, the girl, okay, drunk, okay, a glass of water, yes. Number three, the boy is eating a ice cream, yes. Number four, the girl, okay, tasted an orange juice. Let's see, my father, okay, was cook in a restaurant, yes. Number six, the boy is eating a banana. Number seven, the girl, okay, likes to eat apples. And number eight, okay, the boy is smelling good, okay, or a delicious soup. Yes. So in that case, all of these one are actions. Yes. Okay, that's mean all of this one. Okay, someone is taking the action. For example, the girl is eating the apple. That's mean the girl is taking this action. Good job. And we have other examples. Okay, Annie writes on the board. In this case, the action verb is write. Yes, okay, this one is an action that is developing in the present. Second example, the students will play in the band concert. In that case, okay, this is an action that will be developed in the future. Yes, will play. The puppy ran down the road. Okay, in that case, this one is an action in past, run. Okay, if you notice, all of these one are action verb. That's mean someone or something, okay, are taking the action. Let's continue. We have the second part that in this case verbs, okay, a state of being verbs, and you have a phrase that the robot was said, okay, I am green. okay? Being or to be verbs take on different forms depending on the subject and the tense. Okay, this one is important because the verb be, okay, depends in the form that the subject has or maybe the tense that the subject has developed, okay? And in that form, you write the verb be. For example, if you talk in present, okay, you use am, is, are, yes? If you talk in past, you use was, were, and been. And if you talk in future, okay, you use be, been. Okay, remember, we have 8 state of being verb. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, and been. Yes, these one are state of being verbs. That mean the different forms that the verb be takes, okay, depending the subject and also the tense. Okay, let's continue. These one are examples, okay, and we identify what are the state of being verbs in these sentences. Number 1, I am doing well. Okay, in that case, the state of being verb is am. Why? Because this one is according to the person that in this case is I. Number 2, you are study hard. Then you will get a good grade in the exam. Okay, I'm sorry because the sentence presents 2 mistakes. Yes. Okay, in that case, the state of being verb is are. Yes, because this one is in accordance with the pronoun that is you. Number 3, they have been going on a course to learn English for a long time. In that case, the state of being verb is been. Yes, because we use a helping word that in this case is have, okay, and we write in the correct form the state of being verb that is been. Number 4, he has been reading a newspaper for 2 hours. In that case, the state of being verb is been. Number 5, she is talking to you and you are not listening to her. This is really shame. So in that case, we have 3 forms or 3 state of being verbs. Is, okay, are, and also is. One more time, yes? Excellent. Number 6, she has been watching TV for 6 hours. In that case, the state of being verb is been. Number 7, I have been playing paintball since 10th November. In that case, okay, our state of being verb is been. Number 8, you are not doing that, right? In that case, our state of being verb is are. Number 9, they are not coming. Sorry. Okay, we repeat the state of being verb are in sentence number 9. Number 10, it is not helping to me. Please stop it. Okay, so in this case, our state of being verb is. Yes, if you notice, okay, the state of being verbs that we use are am, are, been, and also is. Okay, and remember, we have 8 state of being verbs. Okay, am, is, are, was, were, okay, be, been, and been. Yes, okay, you try to remember this one, okay, in your evaluation. Now, we have the helping verbs in English, okay, so you know that the helping verbs held the main verb to describe action. The action happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future, okay? It's the same of the state of being verb. So we have verbs and you know that we can use actions of verb in past, in present, and also in future, yes? And this one, okay, helps, okay, to the context of the main verb. Remember, a main verb is the action that the person is developed, or in some cases is the state in which the person is, yes? We have am, is, are, was, were, been, be, was, have, had, did, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, can, could, does, and do. Yes, so that's mean we have 23 helping verbs. Yes, okay. Am, is, are, was, were, been, be, has, have, had, did, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, can't, and could, does, do. Yes? Okay. Let's continue. We have some sentences here and we try to, okay, analyze what are the helping verbs that we use. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. The helping verb, in this case, we don't have it. Yes? Okay, because we only have a main verb that in this case is have. The shop closes at midnight. In that case, we don't have a helping verb, but we have a main verb that is closes. Okay, that's mean this is an action verb. Jane went home at lunchtime. Okay, we don't have a helping verb, but we have an action verb that in this case is went. In England, it often snows in December. So, what is the helping verb? No, we don't have in this sentence, but we have an action verb that is snows. Do you think we will go to Jupiter in the future? Okay, in that case, yes, we have helping verbs. For example, we have do, this is one, and the second one is will. Yes, so in this sentence, we have two helping verbs, do and will. And what is the main verb in this sentence? In that case, is go. Yeah, this one is the principal or the main action. There should be a lot of progress in the next century. In that case, we have one more time a helping verb that is should, and the main action is, or the main verb is be. Do you work on Mondays? We have another helping verb that in this case is do, and the main verb is work. Her birthday is on 20 November. In that case, we don't have helping verb, okay, but we have the main verb that in this case is. Where will you be on New Year's Day? We have a helping verb that in this case is will, and the main verb is be. Okay, remember this one. When you use a helping verb, okay, you always need a main verb, and the main verb is the action that develop the subject. So then in this case, the helping verbs only help to give more context to the main verb. Excellent. So let's see. Now let's continue. This one is the second part, noun. Okay, you know that noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Yes? Okay, and we have nouns that are propers and also others that are commons. For example, people. We have Anita. Yes, okay, Anita is the proper name of the common noun, people. Forest. Okay, this is a common noun. Okay, elephant. We have a common noun of animal. Phone. This is a common noun of things. Okay, and remember the noun is when you name are people, place, animals, or thing. Let's continue. A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are often preceded by an a, and, or the. For example, if you say a box of popcorn, okay, you use a, okay, a popcorn, yes. A girl, yes, or the girl that is with yellow dress. So you use, okay, this word, the girl. City, the city is noisy. So you use the article, the. The common noun names any person, any place, anything, or idea. Okay, and this one often are preceded by a, an, or the. Then we have a proper noun. A proper noun names a particular person, a particular place, or a particular thing. And proper nouns begin with capital letters. Okay, for example, you have this one, Jiffy Pop. In this case, this one is the proper name of a popcorn. Yes, Babe Ruth. Okay, so this one is a famous baseball player. Myrtle Beach. Okay, this one is the name or the proper name of a beach. Okay, that's mean of a place. Yes. Okay. In summary, a common noun is any person, place, thing, or idea. But a proper noun is a particular person, a particular place, or a particular thing. Yes. Excellent. So now we have compound nouns. Okay, a compound noun is two or more nouns joined together to make one name. That's mean you put two common nouns together and you form another noun. For example, ice, this one is the first common noun. Then you have cream, this one is the second common noun. And if you put together ice cream, yes, we form a compound noun. Excellent. So we have some examples here. Okay, we have moon. This one is our first common noun. And if we add light, okay, our second common noun, moonlight. Okay, key, our first common noun, our second common noun, hole. Okay, we put together, we say keyhole. Pan. Okay, this is the first common noun. And if we have the second common noun, that is K, okay, we have the compound noun, pancake. Yes. Tooth plus brush, toothbrush. Cow plus boy, cowboy. Honey plus moon, honeymoon. Yes, and all of these one are compound nouns. Okay, let's repeat. Moonlight, keyhole, pancake, toothbrush, cowboy, honeymoon. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Remember, okay, one of the most important part in a sentence is the verb. And the verb shows actions and also a state of being. We have also some state of being verbs, and this one are eight, is, okay, are, was, were, being, and be. And also we have some helping verbs, okay, that give more coherence to the sentence. And we have 23 helping verbs, and we mentioned some of them. Can, could, should, shall, okay, will, do, does, did, is, etc. Okay, then we have the nouns, okay, that we divide the nouns in proper and common. And remember that proper nouns always begins with capital letter. And a compound noun, if we add two, okay, words to common nouns, you use or you form a compound noun. Okay, excellent job, excellent participation. Okay, God bless you, all of you, and God luck. Okay, remember, please read carefully the questions, read carefully the answers, okay, and try to choose the best answer in the test, in the evaluation. Please do it slowly. You have enough time for developing the test, but you only have one opportunity to solve the test. Okay, thank you very much for participating a lot, and see you tomorrow in an EFL and reading review class. Good luck.